back. I will do this. Press this knee into the scapula, the knee or thigh. I'm coming, placing my knee here. The other foot is standing. This is a free agent. I take my hand like this, open palm, and put the thumb into her hip crease. If I put her hand somewhere, then this is more like a hi, baby. But if I put my thumb here and don't wrap my fingers around her ass, it's appropriate. If I wrap it, no. If they are extended, it's good. I'm just using that thumb to push back. What happens is that as I open her shoulder, her hip will follow the movement to escape the stretch. I will simply push it back so that she can receive the stretch. Yes? So one more time. I want to make that section long. How do I do it so that the person doesn't fall? I bring the knee here, hold her so that now she's stable. Put the finger in the hip, and my palm is facing towards the back of the room. And I will push this knee into her scapula, use that hand to open, and push that hip back in one gentle, steady movement. It all happens in one time. Memorize where to stand towards the student and where to put your right leg, left leg, which one is standing, which one is not standing. Again, come here, move her towards me slightly so she can now rest on me. And this hand is same adjustment, same thumb stuck in the hip crease as I move her and roll her onto my thigh like this. Her shoulder, put this thumb into the hip crease and now lean her towards me. Do not make the mistake that you fall too much forward. Now start doing something and push her there and she falls. I want to have her towards me. Yeah? I usually sneak my hand in and put my fingers on her, right under her boob. It feels, and look what I did with my wrist. I actually pointed my fingers right along her rib cage. Now my elbow is the one which is in contact with her shoulder, and I do the same movement. I push the knee in as I roll her chest open with my hand. And my elbow is using the lever to push her shoulder back, while still using this as pushing the hip down and using and lengthening this whole section of her torso. So either you can choose the hand on the shoulder, which is fine, but if you have this window either here, then I would prefer to move there. Yeah? Squatting. My hand moves forward. My hand is moving forward, and that is the hand which is pushing the torso through the legs. So what am I using? I am not using my small muscle of arm, which is going to be shaking. I'm using actually the weight of my body. Stabilize her, bring the knee into the game, see this heel up, and then move her in as I sit down. Let's try it.